So what you've described but not explicitly said is that the important thing to notice, to look up first of all, is the axes. So of course, when we're looking at a graph, that's a really important thing for the BMAT, is focusing on the axes first. If you're just looking at a graph in general, like, you might just, because clearly you're all going to look at the axes sometime, but you might just get tempted to have a look at the writing or the blue line to start with, and then just wander around to the axes afterwards. But you can't start to fully understand the graph until you've looked at the axes. So that's one thing that I really want to start doing with graphs, is always look at the axes first. That way, every other thing you see, you can put it into context, you can understand it. And it's the most efficient and quick way to approach a graph question. Okay? So, absolutely, it's C. You've got the answer right. That's probably the best way to look at it. You can think of it in terms of the gradient as well, because when you've got these axes, the gradient's going to be the speed. So, but it's actually, then how are you going to deduce it? You're just going to do the same. You're going to count the squares in some way or other. So yeah, so look at the axes.